soon the Juke won't be the only Nissan with a rowdy turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Set to arrive in showrooms soon as the 2017 Nissan Sentra Senior Turbo will be powered by a 1.6-liter, direct-injected turbo for making 188 horsepower and 177 lb-ft of torque. That's the same output as the Juke, but significantly more than the non-turbo Sentra Senior. That car has Nissan's 1.8-liter inline four rated at 124 horsepower and 125 lb-ft, which means the turbo version should feel noticeably more peppy. Transmission choices will include a continuously variable transmission, though enthusiasts should be lining up for the 6-speed manual, which isn't available on the non-turbo Senior. The Sentra Senior Turbo receives a number of other tweaks in addition to the stronger engine. For starters, the Sentra Senior Turbo gets an upgraded suspension with front springs that are 10% stiffer than the normal Senior. Nissan also increased front and rear damping rates by 23% and 50%, respectively. And in addition to a thicker front cowl, the turbocharged Sentra features a larger steering motor and reprogrammed steering software. The Senior Turbo's 11.7-inch front brake discs are 0.7 inches thicker than a standard Sentra, and it features a revised version of Nissan's active understeer control system, which brakes the inside wheels when tackling corners. Like the normal Senior, the Senior Turbo is fitted with 17-inch wheels, a rear spoiler, LED headlights, and sport seats. An optional premium package adds leather seats, navigation, premium sound system, and added safety tech including a blind spot monitoring system. Look for pricing and other details at a later date. Show more.